What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Nike LeBron 9 Watch the Throne. Today's video is sponsored by the good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material you'll find with Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below. You'll see they sell 4 different insole options, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of winter boots or for sneakers, you're going to find there's a suitable insole for everybody. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and I honestly stand by their products. They truly are very comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout to get 15% off your entire purchase. So it's pretty amazing when grail level sneakers that were once considered unattainable are brought back by the brands. Case in point, these Watch the Throne LeBron 9s. These originally released back in 2011, just over 10 years ago, and they were never actually released to the public. These celebrate the joint studio album between Kanye West and Jay-Z, and because this was such a rare sneaker, the few pairs that were actually made were fetching prices of around $10,000 at one point on the secondary market. But here we are now in 2022, and I gotta say, as far as hype sneakers go, this shoe is fairly easy to get. So this pair dropped last week for a price of $230 US or $295 here in Canada, and the colorway for this shoe is black and metallic gold. Here's a quick look at the box, and this comes in this OG inspired box. We have this white cardboard with the red LeBron logo on the top done in the shiny metallic finish. As for the shoes, so diving straight into the details, this is the 9th signature sneaker for LeBron James. And the upper of the sneaker, for the most part, is constructed out of this black nylon or mesh material, but we have strands of flywire which go from the base of the shoe all the way to the top, giving you added lockdown and support. On the medial edge of the toe box, we have this fuse overlay which gives you added durability, and we have this gold colored swoosh fused on the medial side. On the lateral side, this area here is constructed out of this padded textile material which resembles the look of carbon fiber. And then pressed on top on the lateral side, we have another gold swoosh. Surrounding the back of the shoe, we have more of these fuse overlays to give you added durability. And then we have this diamond-shaped fuse overlay on top done in this gold finish. We have this LeBron crown logo debossed on the top, and we have this woven pull tab protruding out the back. For the laces, these come with these flat style laces done in this multicolor floral-like finish. On the bottom loop of the laces right in the center, we have the LeBron crown logo, and these come with these gold-colored lace tips with LeBron James' signature. The laces loop through this oversized gold-colored lace lock, which is done in this molded spiky finish, resembling the Watch the Throne album cover. And then underneath this, the bottom half of the tongue is constructed out of nylon, but the top is finished in this padded mesh finish, and we have LeBron James' signature fused on top again in this gold color. Right next to the tongue, we have this gold-colored tab, which actually incorporates flywire as well, and this extends from the base of the shoe up to the top, giving you that added level of lockdown and support. The back of the tongue and the inner liner of the shoe, this is also lined in that same multicolor floral-like print that we saw earlier on the laces. And the inner collar of the shoe is extremely well padded. Moving on to the insoles, these come with a foam-lined insole, and we have the LeBron James logo pressed on the heel. So the upper of the LeBron 9s sits atop this full-length Phylon foam midsole. The Phylon is painted in black with this gold-colored speckling found throughout, and then underneath the Phylon, we have an Air Max 180 unit underneath the heel, along with a Zoom Air unit underneath the forefoot. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, so the outsole here is constructed out of a combination of black colored rubber along with this translucent icy blue colored rubber. We have these flex grooves on the forefoot to give you added flexibility, and you'll see that the traction pattern itself is done in this chain link style finish. On the back heel, they've injected another layer of Phylon. This is where the LeBron logo sits. And then there's also this carbon fiber glass shank plate, which helps with torsional rigidity and midfoot support. So that breaks down the look and all the components of these Watch the Throne LeBron 9s. For those wondering how these fit, this is a pretty snug fitting shoe, so I'd personally recommend going up a half size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a 10.5 and they fit me perfectly. I feel like true to size, even if you have narrow feet, would definitely fit a bit too snug. So again, half size up would be the safe bet. Moving on to the comfort, so I didn't wear these to ball at all and I don't plan to. This is strictly going to be a casual use shoe. But I gotta say, straight out of the box, you can really feel the responsiveness of that Zoom Air underneath the forefoot. In addition, with the Air unit underneath the heel, coupled with this full-length Phylon foam midsole, this feels like a very well-cushioned shoe all in all. And especially for a casual use sneaker, these are gonna feel great on feet if you don't mind a bulkier and heavier silhouette. I know these days, basketball sneakers aren't normally worn casually too much anymore, but I think certain exceptions can always be made, and this is definitely one of them. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship, so from a material quality standpoint, because the majority of the upper is constructed out of synthetic materials, there's nothing really high quality about the materials used. However, the overall build on the shoe, I thought it was pretty good. There were some glue stains on the midsole, but I'd say that it was pretty minor, and all in all, the build was pretty solid. So with all that out of the way now, let's lace up these Watch the Throne LeBron 9s, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Like I said from the beginning, it's pretty amazing that Nike brought back this once unattainable grail shoe and made it pretty available to the public. Can you imagine if, for example, the Nike Mag was suddenly released in a much wider format? Obviously the values aren't comparable, but you kind of get what I'm trying to say. And the good thing is you don't have to drop $10,000 anymore to grab a pair of these. I checked the secondary market prices on these and they're hovering for honestly just over retail, which is a good sign for any LeBron fan out there. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Watch the Throne LeBron 9s. What are your overall thoughts on this colorway and the design? And is this something you guys would rock even though basketball sneakers aren't as in style anymore for casual use? Or is this going to be a shoe that you're going to play ball in? Or was it an easy pass altogether? So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.